Hi everyone. Today I will demonstrate how to go left side and the T junction. Okay, there is a T junction in front of me and almost 50 meters. If you are going to the left or right side, the safety check procedure is same for the both sides. Okay, first I will check the center mirror to check the traffic behind me. Then I'll check the left side mirror. Then I'll check the blind spot. After that, I'll apply the indicator and then I will start making positioning on this road. I will try to move this car near to the left side. If you are going to the right side, so you will make positioning to the right side. Okay, you will ask a question here that in two-way traffic, why should I check the blind spot? Because sometimes you will find the motorcycle riders or the bikers, okay, near to your car and in your blind spot. If you do not check, you will hit them in the turn. Okay, so that's why you must check the blind spot in here just before 50 meters of the T junction. And when you reach the T junction, you can recheck the left side mirror. Let's demonstrate it. Drive, hazard lights off. I'll check center mirror 50 meters before, left mirror, blind spot, indicator, and then I'll start making position. I will recheck the left side mirror. So I make positioning here to the left side. Now I will check the road properly and then I'll complete my turn. Okay, so the safety is top priority. Drive safe with Drivelogy. Thank you very much.